everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. In part 1 and part 2, I did create some Dollar Tree baskets for you, which I'm showing right now on the screen. I highly recommend going back and watching those because I'm quite proud of them and I think that they're really nice. I wasn't going to make this video, but I decided to give y'all a bonus because I did have 3 more baskets made and I had the footage, so why not share it to help y'all out. They may not be my favorite baskets, but I still think that they're great and they're going to be wonderful gifts for you to share with your family, friends, teachers, Secret Santa, however you want to use your Dollar Tree powers to gift others. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If you like this type of content, make sure that you press like and subscribe to my channel and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to start out with a gold basket as well as this green tissue paper and some hot cocoa packets. I'm adding in 2 of the hot cocoa travel mugs as well as these peppermint spoons and this peppermint candle. I'm wrapping it in the cellophane wrap and then I embellished it with an ornament and a hang tag. Our next basket is our children's basket. Everything in this is for 3 and up. This is Lucky Needs Your Help. And this is an adorable book, so I tried to match everything around it. So we're doing a lime green basket with purple paper shreds. We're doing a lime BPA free travel cup because I know a lot of younger children like to take those with them. This super soft brown bear, this it's almost like kinetic sand, it's also lime green, and then this lime green ball. Again, I am embellishing it with this wrap, a hanging tag, and a big red bow. And for our last basket, we're making a brand name Barbie basket. And yes, all of this is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting off with a pink basket as well as some tissue paper in the bottom and some white and they're like the hollow paper shreds. And then I'm adding in all of the Barbie accessories that I could find at the Dollar Tree, as well as these Barbie blind bags. I love them. And the accessories, they had pets, they had purses, shoes, a bunch of different varieties, so I'm just kind of shoving all of that in here wherever I think it looks best, trying to prop it up to where it's sitting up instead of laying down, and I added in a pink scrunchie. That completes this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!